Hi friends! Today we're going to move, jump, and dance with verbs. Are you ready? Let's go! A verb is an action word. It tells what someone is doing. For example, jump is an action word. Eat is an action word. Dance is an action word. Sleep is an action word. Hop is an action word. Can you say it? A verb is an action word. Look at the pictures. Which word shows the action? The girl bakes a cake. The boy plays soccer. Awesome! Bakes is an action word. Plays is an action word. Good job, everyone. I'll say a verb and you do the action. Hop. Hop like a rabbit. Spin. Spin like a tornado. Swim. Swim like a dolphin. Fly. Fly like a bird. Freeze. Awesome job, everyone. Let's use action words in sentences. The dog runs fast. I write with a pencil. She sings a song. We play at the park. Can you shout out your own sentence using a verb? Great job! I love your sentence. Now we're gonna play a quick game. Verb or not? Is the word a verb? Say yes if it is, or no if it is not. Eat. Yes, eat is a verb. Chair. No, it's not a verb. Laugh. Right, laugh is a verb. Book. No, it's not a verb. Walk. Awesome! Yes, it's a verb. Good job, everyone. You are now a verb superstar. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.